Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use digital wallet on your Wells Fargo app. Right, so if you're using an app or website, everything works same. So if you're using a Wells Fargo app, then definitely make sure that you have the access of your account. If you're using a website, just go and click on sign on or enter your username and password and you will be inside your account. Now here you have to access your menu bar, which is located at the bottom bar of the your website or the application. Select digital wallet. Now here all eligible digital wallet will be displayed. Example Google Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and the other things here. Then here you have to click on add your card. Tap the add to card. Usually it will show you your wallet name there, and next to the card you wish to add, follow an additional instruction which will ask you to verify it up, and this is how you can just add it. Right, so it's really easy. I hope you got to know that how you add a card there. Now here you can use it in the store payment, ATM access, and wherever you want, right? But make sure that you have a good security, or your password should be really strong, because this is just for the security purpose. Other than that, I hope that your problem got solved, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.